Hey guys, welcome back to JT. So as you can see, we're at a different place. You maybe have not seen this before. But anyway, I'm just shooting my gun over at these targets. I'll show you in a second.
That just shoots Coke Zero bottle. Hey guys.
Hey guys,
you might see
my targets
are these.
My targets are these. So that's one of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 targets to shoot. And the gun I am using today, I'll show you in a second. Okay, so...
Hey Dad, when you gonna shoot?
No, I'm gonna shoot.
I mean, JT, when you gonna shoot? No.
Okay, so my gun is a 7mm 08, and here's the bullet we're using. That bullet right there. It's bolt action. And
that's his gun.
Here's his gun. Here's my gun. So it's a Ruger 7mm 08, and that's like a 1-inch butt pad right there, like squishy foam.
Hi guys, JT shooting his gun. Right, I gotta hurry because he's fixing to shoot his gun right now.
Put the crosshair on one of those bottles, the lemonade bottle, or the water bottle on the bucket. Crosshair on the bottle. And
he's fixing to shoot his gun.
Oh my goodness. Did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that?
So I was aiming right there. That's good enough, I mean. But next time when I shoot, I'm going to aim for the water so it explodes.
He's shooting again.
I just shot I don't know, I just shot this thing and it exploded like crazy. It exploded like lemons, as I would say. That thing's gone.
Dad,
so what was cool about this third and final shot was that we actually put the water bottle and Sprite bottle behind each other, and then I shot them at the exact same time and they exploded. Just check it out. For the Sprite, look how close that was. That's pretty close. And this thing, I don't know where the rest is, but I shot this water bottle and it blew up. Like, I don't know where the rest is. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe, like, and always comment. See y'all in the next video.